everyone, it's Darcy from St Christopher's and we've just landed in Amsterdam to take you on a 48-hour trip around the city using the Amsterdam City card. The card costs €74 for 48 hours and gets you into tons of really amazing museums for free and includes canal cruises and free transport all over the city. So we've arrived at our room at St Christopher's at the Winston and we're staying in a private twin ensuite at the moment, but there are also plenty of dorm rooms and private double ensuites available as well. It's right in the heart of the red light district, and downstairs at Blue Shoes you get 25% off all your food and there are some really cool drink deals as well. Out of the Gogh Museum using the Amsterdam City card to get us in for free. Yeah, it's so cool in there. Everyone should go check it out if you get a chance to come to Amsterdam. It's amazing. There's like everything about his life, so much of his artwork. Our favourite was the almond blossom. But yeah, free trip with the Amsterdam City card. But now we're going to go get some pancakes.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Good morning everyone, I've just arrived at Amsterdam Noord to come and check out the area and do some exploring. All I had to do to get here is hop on a ferry at the back of Amsterdam Central Station and it was totally free. All I had to do was walk on and it took about 3 minutes to cross over the river. So now I'm here, I'm going to start with the Eiffel Museum behind me using my Amsterdam City card to get in for free. And then a bit later I'm going to head over to NDSM Wharf to check out all the cool graffiti, all the industrial cafes and stuff, and have a cup of coffee. So I'll see you in a bit.
What a wonderful world.
So I've just come over from where the ferry dropped me off to a place called Amsterdam NDSM, which is the city's former shipyard. It's so cool here, it's very industrial, but it's full of amazing graffiti, loads of cultural sites and cafes, and there's even a crane hotel in front of me. But now I think I'm going to go for a coffee at Plek.
once again.
I hope you enjoyed our video on how to spend 48 hours in Amsterdam. If you're planning on coming to the city anytime soon, then definitely check out St Christopher's at the Winston. We'll leave a link in the description box below, and feel free to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos about travelling in Europe. Bye!
Once again.